Jing is a screencasting program that allows you to record the activity on your computer screen and capture it either as an image or as a video. When Jing is open, it appears on your screen as a bright yellow sun. You can move the sun launcher to the side of the screen that is more suitable for you. If you are using Windows, with a single left click on the center of the sun without releasing the mouse button, drag it to the edge of the desktop you prefer. However, the sun launcher cannot be placed near the start menu or in the corners. If you're using a Mac, hold down the Shift key and click on the sun. While holding down the mouse button, drag the sun to a different edge of the desktop. You have to stay away from the dock and the menu bar. Placing your mouse pointer over the sun displays the menu, the capture, history, and more buttons. The capture button is used to make a selection on your screen of the area or content you would like to capture. You can select the entire screen or only a particular area. Click and drag over the area you would like to capture. You can also click and drag the selection to reposition it, like this. Additionally, you can drag any of the four sides for resizing. When you are satisfied with the selected area, click the picture button or click the video button to begin capturing your selection. A captured image will appear in a preview window, where you are able to annotate it using the tools on the left. It is simple to use these tools. Simply select the tool, choose a color, and then draw on the capture. You can draw attention to a particular item by using the arrow or the highlight tools. Explain a point, write a comment, or a note using the text tool. Draw a box around something noteworthy using the frame tool. When you are ready to save, give the image a name and click on the floppy disk icon to save it to your computer. Or share via screencast.com. Use the copy button to save the image to your computer's clipboard for pasting into another application, such as PowerPoint, Word documents, email, and image editing software. The capture video button records what is on your screen, but it can also record the audio of your microphone, which means you can add voiceover to your recording. If voice narration is not necessary, click the microphone button to mute the audio. You can pause and resume recording with this button at any time. Click the stop button to stop recording. The captured video will appear in a preview window, where you can play back and review your video. If you're satisfied with the results, give your video a name and save it to your computer by selecting the floppy disk icon, or share it via screencast.com, or via social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter. You must register for a Screencast account first before you can share content through it. Similarly, you must set up your social networking accounts to be able to publish from Jing. Please note there is a maximum recording time of 5 minutes. The free version of Jing creates videos in SWF Flash format, and Jing Pro creates videos in MP4 format. Both formats can be edited using Camtasia Studio by clicking on the Edit in Camtasia Studio button. The History button keeps all the captures you have taken with Jing. You can choose to view all the captured images only, all the captured videos only, or both. Hovering over the capture will give you its details, including date, dimensions, and the shared location. Selecting a capture will give you 3 options: View, Share, and Delete. The View option opens the capture in the preview window, where you can make changes to the annotations on an image, add a voiceover to a video, or change the share location. Both the original capture and the modified capture will be available in the history. The share option will put the original link location back on the clipboard. It is very helpful for when you have to share the capture again. If you delete the capture, it will be deleted from the history as well as from the share location. For example, this image was shared via screencast.com. If deleted here, it will also be deleted from screencast.com. In the More button is the Preferences option. Under Startup Options, you can select that Jing starts automatically when your computer starts by placing a checkmark in the Launch on Startup box. Deselect if you prefer that it does not start automatically. Place a checkmark in the Hide the Jing Sun box if you prefer the sun is not present at the edge of the desktop. If you want the sun on the edge of the desktop, leave it unchecked. When the sun is not present on the edge of the desktop, on Windows, there will be a Jing icon in the taskbar where you will have the same options. On the Mac, the Jing icon will be on the menu bar. To close the More button, click the Finish option. To exit Jing, click the Exit Jing option. If you have additional questions about how Jing works, contact the Office of Instructional Technology at 702-992-2400. Choose menu option 2, or send us an email to nsc.intech@nsc.edu. Don't miss InTech's latest updates and video tutorials. Follow us on Twitter at @NSC_InTech and subscribe to our YouTube channel, NSC InTech. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like.